All right, this is for our little Dollar Tree feeding tray with a spoon, knife, and fork. It's plastic. And I have my images laid out. They are Oracal 651 because you don't transfer them with heat. So what you do is you transfer them with a transfer tape. So these are laid out in the order that I'm going to use them, I hope. I put a white piece here because that's going to be his mouth, and I didn't want his mouth blue. So the spoon and the fork and his eyes are going to be blue. And we're just going to eyeball this. You want to go from the center out so there's no bubbles. Low and slow against the vinyl. This one is going to go on next. Be careful here, guys. You've got to line this up. But this is for my 4-year-old grandson, so he's very forgiving if Granny makes a mistake. If it doesn't come off going one way, just change directions. And sometimes for me, going up to down rather than sideways is more dependable. The reason you go low and slow is in case something lifts. Gives you a chance to burnish it a little harder. And then I just go over things with my fingers, and then I critique it. So what I would critique about this is I should have made this image 20%, 30% larger, and this one too. Well, I couldn't let this little Dollar Tree plate go like this for a 5-year-old, so his favorite superhero is Spider-Man. So I'm going to dress this little thing up with Spider-Man stuff. This 651 has to cure for a few days, and then it's best just to hand wash it. Okay, thanks everyone.
More tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.